Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Picot Stitch edging or border. Very nice finish to any project that you may be making. It is a very simple pattern. I shall be using a 3mm crochet hook. To start off with, just going to go ahead and slip stitch into the corner of our piece. Just like that. Chain 5. We're going to skip 4 chains and then slip stitch into the 5th chain. Like that. Chain 5. Skip 4 chains and slip stitch into the 5th chain. Chain 5. Slip stitch into the 5th chain. 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 4 chains, slip stitch into the 5th chain space. 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. Slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch. I'm going to stop here and I'm going to now talk you through the second row. So what we will do now is turn our work around and start our second row. Now for the second row, we are going to go ahead and start to work in these chain 5 spaces that we've made. We shall place 4 single crochets in the space. 2, 3, 4. We shall chain 3 and make a picot stitch. What that means is we're going to put a single crochet in this space here from where we started the chain 3. Like that. That is a picot stitch. Now we will repeat the opposite on this side. So 4 single crochet. And now we need to get to the next chain space, but we will slip stitch at the end of that first picot stitch. I'll go straight into the next chain. Single crochet 4, 2, 3, 4, chain 3 and picot stitch. So single crochet in this space here, single crochet 4 again, and your work should be looking something like this. And to get to the next chain space, we are going to place a slip stitch in that space to get from here to here. Again, that's 4 single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, 4 single crochet. Slip stitch to get into the next chain, 4 single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, 4 single crochet, slip stitch to get to the next chain space, go straight into the next chain space, 4 single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, 4 single crochet, slip stitch to get to the next space, 4 single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, 4 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch to get to the next space, 4 single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, 4 single crochet, 2, 3, 4. And that is what the Picot Stitch border looks like. And you would just simply carry on all the way around. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Please like, comment and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.